Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, no matter how you are watching this today. Today I want to show you a method that has completely changed how I handle all of my long-form video footage. Say goodbye to endless timeline scrubbing and the migraine of manually cutting out every single filler word. We are going to look at editing video just like plain text, but with a full workflow that truly saves you hours. Picture a sprawling, hour-long interview full of rambling audio and only a few precious moments you need to salvage. You used to scrub for hours to find the gems, cut the pauses, and stitch everything back together until you were exhausted. What if you could search your video content the exact same way you search a simple Google Doc? That brain-meltingly cool part is exactly what I'm about to show you in action today. I know some of you are already thinking about Premiere's built-in transcript editor or Descript's established features. Yes, those tools pioneered the text-first editing approach, and they both do some genuinely cool things. However, this platform bundles that text editing magic with a creator-first pipeline for scheduling and content discovery. This means we are turning long videos into a steady, automated stream of highly shareable short clips. Let me walk you through my personal step-by-step process so you can see the massive time return. Imagine uploading that raw talking head file, whether it's a 10-minute vlog or a 40-minute recorded session. The AI immediately begins transcribing everything, providing a full, time-stamped document in just a few minutes. The first win is that the transcription is accurate enough that you skip having to re-listen to the entire recording. Now for the fun part, the interface displays your transcript immediately beside the video timeline for easy reference. To remove any filler sound or awkward pause, you simply highlight that text and press delete. Deleting the text executes an instant clean cut on the timeline with no need for a razor blade tool. You get that same satisfying feeling as other text editors, but this system layers on smart clip detection automatically. The AI suggests inherently shareable clips based on punchy one-liners or moments where engagement visibly spikes. You can preview these suggested moments, tweak the in and out points slightly, or simply export the whole batch as done. My favorite feature allows you to literally search for any keyword across the entire recording instantly. When a client requests every mention of a specific topic, you search the term and click the result to jump there. That single search function cuts down time spent combing through footage by easily 90% or more. Consider this quick demo. I uploaded a 10-minute file where I flubbed my intro recording 3 separate times. I click through the transcript, spot the false starts and pauses, delete the text, and Vizard cuts the timeline perfectly for me. I then wanted to isolate one great line, so I searched for a specific word and jumped straight to that sentence. Extracting that exact sentence as a short, polished clip requires zero manual dragging or guesswork on the timeline. Captions are another area where this software truly shines by automating a tedious post-production step. Once your transcript is finalized, you can generate all necessary captions with just a single click of a button. If the auto-transcript isn't perfect, you can edit the copy directly within the editor before exporting or burning them in. For vertical short-form content, you can even apply smart subtitle presets that ensure your text fits the format automatically. Now let's discuss scheduling, which turns this from an editor into a true growth tool for your brand. After Vizard pulls those best viral clips, you set a posting frequency and select your desired social platforms. The AI then intelligently schedules those clips over time, so you maintain a consistent presence online. You never have to worry about posting 5 videos on one day and then going completely silent for the next 2 weeks. The visual content calendar lets you see everything queued up, published, or waiting for final approval in one view. You can drag and drop to reschedule items or edit captions and swap thumbnails all from that central dashboard. Comparing this to Descript, which excels at text-to-video editing, it stops short of handling the distribution challenge automatically. Premiere Pro is unmatched for deep timeline control, but it requires you to manually source every single short clip. This platform closes that workflow gap by handling everything from raw footage to the scheduled social post. A quick practical tip is to always eyeball the AI suggestions, even when the algorithm seems to have nailed the best moments. Sometimes a line is flagged that needs a slightly different starting point or hook to maximize its shareability. Transcription accuracy ultimately depends on your initial audio quality, so clean audio equals fewer manual checks. For anyone producing interviews, tutorials, or podcasts, this process will return hours back into your personal week. My entire former chain of hunting, cutting, captioning, and scheduling is now massively compressed into a few clicks. The pricing exists to be an affordable middle ground that covers the entire content lifecycle, not just the cutting phase. There is a minor learning curve to edit with text, but you quickly start thinking in hooks rather than raw footage hours. If you repurpose long content into shorts, this is a tool you absolutely must try for yourself right now. Try it on your next video, let the calendar post for a week, and see the difference in your output consistency. It's not about replacing your existing editing skills, it's about amplifying them so you can create more without hitting burnout. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped, and I will catch you all in the very next video.